Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the concept of cryptography, guys. So I hope we discussed about cryptography in multiple subjects, guys, till date, right? So if you want me to recall, we discussed in operating system, we discussed in networking, we discussed in data communication, we discussed in multiple subjects, right? Okay, we discussed even in web technologies, right? Yes. So I hope everyone is now 100% familiar with this topic. So I'll be just giving you an overview here, guys. Okay, yes. So basically cryptography is a nothing but, so you will be taking the plain text, guys. So assume that in a huge network you want to send a message to your friend, guys. So it is 100% private message you want to send. Like assume that it is your bank OTP or bank credit card number or credit card CVV, like anything it might be. So it is really crucial important. You want to send it through the internet. Okay, so that's a funny thing that you want to send it through the internet. Okay, yes. So in this situation, someone can connect or someone can hack into your path, like the packet's moving path, and they can grab the packet and they can get your information, right? And they can read it and they can use your credentials, right? Yes. So that is the major disadvantage with the normal message sending, guys. Okay, so that is the reason why before the sender is sending the message, we will be encrypting that message. Okay, and through the internet, that encrypted message will only be passed. Even if an attacker hacks, he will be getting the encrypted message, which can never be understood by the attacker, guys. So it will be converted in such a way that the attacker cannot understand by using even any kind of algorithm. Yes. So that is the reason why even our messages, our chats, everything are secured. Okay. So now, so how will the receiver will understand then? So basically the receiver will have that key to unlock it. So basically he will be locking and he will be unlocking. So for just assumption, you assume in that way, guys, for now. Okay. Yes. So he will be unlocking it and he can read it. Yes. So this exact concept is nothing but cryptography. So basically we will be having the plain text, which is a readable format and a non-encrypted data, which will be passing through the encryption algorithm, which creates the ciphertext, guys. So ciphertext is a non-readable and encrypted format, okay, and which the receiver, so basically if an attacker attacks, he will be getting the ciphertext only, which is no use for him, right? Yes. Okay, so this is ciphertext. Once it is, so this part is on the sender side, guys, and this part is on the receiver side. Okay, so once it is received by the receiver, he will be decrypting the message and it converts into plain text, which he can read and which is a non-encrypted format. So this concept is nothing but encryption, guys. Okay, so now let us go to the theory. So encryption, cryptography. So it is a method of protecting information and communication through use of nodes, keys. That is nothing but keys, guys. We'll be using keys. So that only those people for whom the information is intended should understand. So basically if I am sending to my friend, only he will understand the message. So in such a way that I will be locking the message, guys. Yes. Okay. So thus it prevents the unauthorized access of information. Okay. So now let us go through the concept of encryption. So in encryption, with the plain text, you will be adding the key. Guys, we'll be taking in detailed examples in our future lectures, guys. So don't get worried about these concepts because we are having various algorithms also. We'll be discussing 1 or 2 algorithms clearly. So don't worry. Okay. Yes. So basically with the plain text, you will be combining the key to get the ciphertext. So this ciphertext cannot be understood by anyone. That's what it is written here. Okay. Similarly, decryption. So on the side of decryption, okay, with the ciphertext, you will be adding the key, okay, and you will be getting the plain text. So this key will be created in that way, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so that's what it is written again here, guys. Okay. So we are having 2 different types of keys, guys. So the first type of a key is nothing but symmetric key, and the second type is nothing but asymmetric key. Symmetric key is nothing but both the keys are the same, guys. So the key which you use for encryption, the exact key you will be using for decryption also. So this is nothing but a symmetric key. Whereas a asymmetric key is nothing but for encryption you will use 1 key and for decryption you will use 1 key. So this is nothing but a asymmetric key encryption, guys. Guys, we'll be discussing in detail about these 2 in a dedicated videos, and we'll be seeing 1 or 2 algorithms in each, guys. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea about the concept of cryptography. So now let us see the applications, advantages and disadvantages of cryptography. Okay, so applications. So cryptography is applied for secrecy of information transformation. So basically, if you want to send a message to your friend, you can use this and you can send, right? Yes. Okay, so it acts as a security in storage. So basically, even when you are storing some kind of messages or any kind of chats, those things will be secured in a proper way, guys, because you are using these kind of encryption. So even if it goes into wrong person hand, it will be of no use. So that is the major thing, guys, which we will be always be considering and which we are always be happy for it. Okay, so make the authentication of identity. Okay, so whoever is trying to enter will be making everything. Okay, so provide integrity in the storage. Okay, so the major advantages are nothing but use it to hide the message and privacy as safe. Okay, so no one would be known what it says unless there is a key to the code. So basically, for that particular encrypted text, that is nothing but cipher text, you need a key to unlock. That's the only way you can do, guys. Okay, yes, it helps to write anything or anything, any theme, any symbol or anything. So you can encrypt. So the encrypted message could have anything, guys. So even if you write your name, so assume my name is Raju, just an example, guys. So Raju, so assume your name is Raju. So instead of Raju, I'll be sending ABCD. So I'll be saying that Raju is ABCD only. So here I am mapping A with R and B with A and C with J and U with D. And I'm saying that's my ciphertext. So can anyone understand, guys? Right? So no one can identify. So that is the major advantage here. Okay? Yes. Okay, so the disadvantages. So it requires a long time to figure out the code. So basically, if an hacker gets it, so it will take a long time for him. Even when you want to encrypt each and every message or each and every data, the receiving and sending the data will be a bit complex, guys, because you need to encrypt the data again and again, right? Yes. So it takes time to generate the code. That's what I was saying. It's a bit slow, right? Yes. So now let us go through just a small concept, guys. That is nothing but foundation of cryptography. Okay. So like a cryptography, the history is a long history, guys. If you want to read, you can read from the textbook. It is almost 20 to 30 topics are there inside this. Like every year by year they give. Okay, you can just go through it if you want. Okay, so it has a long and multicultural history. Okay, so with an emergency of technology, needed of encryption is information technology is a great increase. So basically nowadays, if you are using any kind of small app also, in that they will be saying that it is encrypted, way-to-way encryption, two-way encryption, authentication and everything. These are common terms which we are hearing now, right? Yes. So all popular web browsers are even addicted for these kind of things, guys. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea. So in the next lecture, we will be discussing some kind of terminology based on this cryptography, guys. So basically these are the terms which you will be listening in this whole chapter, guys. So that's the reason I'm just giving you the review of those words. Okay. So let us meet in the next lecture and discuss about it. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching.